Hello guys, ODMT Digital Marketing. In this video, I'm explaining about ChatGPT new browser Atlas. We already know that Google have Google Chrome and Microsoft have their own browser. In such way, so many browser we experience, but mostly people use Chrome. Now, ChatGPT is more like a uh, giving answers. If you put a chat over there, it used to give the answers. Now they come up with a browser like a Chrome. Okay. So just go to Google and type ChatGPT Atlas. You'll be getting, or else type chatgpt.com/Atlas. You will get this option. As of now, this is available only in Mac. Soon they'll be bringing to the smartphones as well, even for the Windows as well. It takes some time. Right now is available only in Mac. Okay, so once you open this, just click on download and it will be added and you can start using it. Now we'll experience how we can use it and what kind of options it has. Right, second. Yeah, this is my browser. This is how it looks. Same like a Chrome, you can keep on adding new tabs. You can close them. And left hand side, you have this option. This is same like a chat GPT. Okay, left sidebar you have, and if you don't want, you can just move this. And top right side you have some options here: bookmarks, download, extension, passwords, settings, incognito window, same like a Chrome you have. Okay, and this is always good. Now you can start asking the question here, same like a chat GPT. This you already have, or else you can open the website. Now you want this website to be opened. Generally, we do this in a Chrome, right? Now you can do it in the Atlas. That's it. It opened the website. Now, what is so special about this Atlas? You don't need to go to ChatGPT again. What are the questions you want to ask on the particular website? Top right side, you have option here, ask ChatGPT. Now you can start asking the questions over here. What are the questions you want? You can ask. Like I'm asking, summarize this website. Summarize this website. That's it. So it will read everything and it will summarize. So this is a ODMT, Hyderabad-based Digital Marketing Training Institute, and what all the benefits they're giving, it is showing. See, within fraction of seconds, everything, what are the plans they have, what are the modules covered, when are the batches, everything. This is one cool option. It's already there in Copilot, and even Perplexity has launched something. Comet, even they also have these options. Now, ChatGPT has introduced newly in this. So you can ask follow-up questions on this, like how to contact them. They'll pull out the details from here. See, that's it, guys. And you don't believe, if you are a digital marketer, you can do many things out of there. You can ask what are the on-page parameters? Is it good or not? Is it the website speed is good or not? Is it mobile friendly or not? What is on-page parameters? What is off-page parameter? Everything it will give you. You can see if you're a digital marketer, you can start asking this as well. So overall, I can say that Atlas is browsing plus copy pasting to ChatGPT, which was very slow option. Everything can do it now here. So next, let's move down to other questions. Yeah, new tab. Now here, instead of asking questions, I'm just clicking on the agent mode. The agent mode is capable of doing a task. You don't need to type anything. Just ask a question. It will do a job for you. Now see what I'm doing. I'm using this mic symbol. I want to make broccoli soup. So I don't know how to make it. So read some article and find out what all the ingredients we want and try to order those ingredients from Amazon. So that's it, guys. Done. This agent mode understand my query. Now I told it to do a broccoli soup. So it will read some articles, find out what are the ingredients it wants. It will go to Amazon and it will order for us. Add to cart, checkout. If you give permissions of sign in, everything it will do for you. See here, it is reading the articles. It takes some time. You can keep it aside and we can start asking other questions as well. I have already, to save your time, I asked few more questions here. I asked, I want to buy a tripod and it will compare all the websites and it gave me this. It's clearly gave me details. I also asked one more question that I want to buy a tripod. Please compare Amazon and Flipkart, which is the best one. So it did. This makes your shopping very easy. Okay. See here, it's been to the Amazon website. First, it is adding the broccoli. And whatever is required for the soup, it will add to that as well. See, I'm not doing anything, guys. My hand's free. It's automatically doing it. Let's open a new tab. Agent mode. Again, I'm asking the question. I want to buy a tripod for my camera. Please compare Amazon and Flipkart. My budget is 10,000. So please find the best one. Right. Now here, I want to buy a tripod. I'm asking the ChatGPT agent to compare both of the websites and my price is 10,000. So it will pick me the best product. If I give sign in option, it will buy for you as well. There is an option we can give complete brands because it is in a starting mode. I didn't give any permissions here. You have options, guys. Settings, data control, improve the model for everyone. So whatever you're doing, it is saved. So it is reading the data. So if you want, you can put it off. Anyway, I'm not doing any shopping, just I'm just showing you. And here, if you want, you can stop anytime. If you want, you can take a control. Instead of agent is doing it, you can take a control of this as well. Now let's come to the broccolis here. Few more products it is asking. This is really game changing. It saves a lot of time for you. Now see here, for a tripod, it is checking Amazon and Flipkart as well. So overall, Atlas is a web browser with ChatGPT built-in sidebar chat, page-aware analysis, and an optional autonomous agent mode. Okay, why it matters? So OpenAI is directly challenging the Chrome with an AI first browser approach. Obviously now people start searching this as well, right? According to the stock today, Chrome, Google have lost some price on the index. Yeah, you can see here, Amazon and Flipkart, it's finally gave you the recommendation as well. The broccoli, even onions also it is buying now. Okay, next. Now I'm searching some keyword here. I'm searching digital marketing course in Telugu. Now this is more like a chat GPT. Chat GPT gives you answers, right? So it is giving my company name. But top you can see there is a search as well. Same like a Google has search, right? Chrome has a by default Google search engine. You can use another search engines as well. Now here is a question whether Atlas is using Google as a default search engines. Here it is showing Google, or else they'll develop a search engine. So here one of my YouTube videos coming at the same time my website also coming. So apart from getting answers, you can browse as well. Even you can see images as well. For the particular query, you can see images as well. Right now for this keyword, there are no images, but it will come. You can see videos as well. And if any news is there, you can able to see the news as well. Right. Now let's come back to this broccoli one. Still it's working. Now potatoes also it is checking. Right. Now let's open one YouTube video. Now that I'm open youtube.com. There I'm opening my channel. Hello guys, ODMT. Now here you have Ask ChatGPT. You can ask questions. So any website you can ask, even you can ask about this channel as well. Can I know more about this channel? Now it will tell you about this channel as well. How many views they have, how many subscribers they have. See here, subscribers, total videos about the channel. What are the topics covered? In such a way, a particular video also you can ask. Then you can ask the tips how to increase the subscribers. And I told you, right? Again, let me open in a new tab, fullyempty.in. Ask ChatGPT. Now here, I'll ask the question like, can you check SEO of this website? Boom, let's see. So let me do full audit. Earlier, what we used to do, this website, we used to put it in separate tools, or else we used to go to ChatGPT. Now everything we're doing at the same place. We are on the website and sidebar, we're doing it. Now it is checking every element. SSL certificate is there or not. Canonical URL is missing. Schema and other options. Title is good or not. H1 tags. That's great. So as being a digital marketer, it's good for you. Now let me open ndtv.com. Uh, Let me select one topic, this topic. Now again, ask ChatGPT. Summarize this page in 5 bullets. Because you don't have a time to read everything, then you can do this. What is this news about in 5 bullet points? Okay, I assume that you are a beginner and you don't understand the politics, then what I'm doing is, again, I'm using dictate. Explain this article like I'm a beginner. Sorry. Explain this article as I'm a beginner. Yeah. Now it will try to simplify it and it give me, yeah, what happened, what he said, about they talk. Sounds great, right? Now assume that you're a YouTuber, you want to talk about this topic. Now again, what I'm doing here. Turn this into talking points for YouTube script. Done. Now the entire thing, you'll be getting a YouTube script. So how the intro should be, what topics you have to highlight. People use teleprompt, right? You can put it over there, you can start reading, or else you understand and you read it. Sounds good, right? So any article we opened, we ask the bullet points, and we explained the article to be like a beginner, and finally we asked it to give a script as well. Now we can do, if you're a digital marketer, you can find out what are the elements that are missing, you can fix it. You can open any YouTube video, you can ask about the numbers. And for a shopping, it's always good. See, oh, so many things. Making broccoli might be very tough. Still, it's working on it. Yeah, even tripod related things we made it decisions. So overall, you have a website, the browser, you can open websites, and you have a chat GPT option, and you have a agentic option where things are automatic. It's keep on doing it. Right. So right now, this agentic mode, whichever is there, this is only for the pro users. I'm using ChatGPT Pro, that's why I have. If you are using ChatGPT free version, you might not have. And as of now, today, 21st of October, so today only they released. As of now, this is only for MacBook and the Windows and Android, it is coming soon. Okay, I'll be making in detail videos in the future. If you have any questions about this, you can put it in a comment. Thank you very much.